Maldives. Blue sky, shining sun, sprawling palm trees, beaches with white sand, pools with clear water, the endless ocean, cries of seagulls, evening cocktails. It's great, wonderful, divine. Should be. Pilots of medium-haul aircraft such as our Boeing 737 visit different countries, see many cities, but most often from above. Acquaintance with new places as a rule is limited to the apron of the airport, sometimes to the lounge in the terminal or a duty-free shop if the turnaround time allows this. An hour ago we landed at the airport of Mali, the capital of Maldives, wished our dear valued guests a wonderful holiday, and now, having taken on board new guests, our Boeing is being towed to the engine startup position. Mali airport is special. It is located on a really small island and there is very little space. Periodically the island is enlarged with soil and now they are building a new runway and a new apron. Our Boeing was parked on the old one and according to the local procedure, a tug tractor picked us up in the parking spot and now is pushing our airplane to the startup point at the very beginning of runway 36. We have already started up the right-hand engine and now we are starting the left one. On the Boeing 737 MAX, which cockpit you see now, starting up the engines takes a long time, usually twice that long in comparison with the 737 next generation, which is literally previous, by the way. To save you time, I will speed up this process.
Thank you very much for your assistance. Can we disconnect? Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Okay, disconnect. Have to go on the left-hand side. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thank you.
The engines are running and now we need 3 minutes more to warm them up. This time is enough for completing the after-start procedures and reading the before taxi checklist. The flight attendants have not yet reported they are ready for the takeoff.
Hello, Chance. Are you ready?
The first officer takes the right initiative and calls the purser on the service interphone.
Stabilizer trip is 5.7. First curve check is completed and 30 seconds for engine warm up. To request latest scanning.
We're heading contact Mali Airport 119 at 47 wind 020 degrees right knots, runway 36, clear takeoff.
You will require 20 seconds moment.
There is a slight misunderstanding with the air traffic controller.
I request latest scanning.
1009.
1009 and ready, ma'am.
Runway 36, clear takeoff.
36 clear for takeoff. 11907. Good day.
Maintain 6,000 feet, runway heading.
6,000 runway heading. 6,000 runway heading. You have controls?
Alright, we have got the takeoff clearance. I transferred the controls of Maxi to my colleague and from now I'm responsible for radio communications, carrying out the first officer's commands and overall monitoring. Our 737 MAX is starting another sky travel.
And 1, 2, check. Set takeoff thrust. Takeoff thrust.
Austrian 45 wind 030 degrees at 10 knots, runway 36, clear land.
Dose birthday is approach identified. Turn left heading 280 and climb flight level 140.
Turn left heading 280 and climb flight level 140. Flex 1. Check. 140 check. Flex up. Going up.
Resume on navigation direct to Lelam.
Resume on navigation direct to Lelam. Lelam on top. Lelam on top. Check. Approach to Mike Alpha Hotel request descent. LF.
Station code again, please.
Mike Alpha Hotel request descent.
Flying an Iron Bird obedient to you over other atolls is amazing. But the real pleasure is to suddenly hear a voice of your countryman in the middle of the endless ocean.
Mali approach, good morning, Aeroflot 320 Heavy, leaving holding over Lelem at level 170.
Aeroflot 320 identified and copied. Direct to Mike 002 for ILS Yankee approach runway 36 and standby for descent.
Maintaining flight level 170, direct to Mike 002 for ILS Yankee runway 36, Aeroflot 320.
Удачи, парни! My dear friends, if you enjoy watching this video and you want to see more like this, you can easily support my channel by putting a like and sharing the link to this video on your social networks. Thank you very much, appreciate it. Cruising at high levels is a rather boring activity, unless of course the weather brings some variety, which happens quite often in this area, in summers. But now it's the beginning of March 2019 and the weather is still playing on our side. I mean, it provides our international crew with boredom during an hour which is required to reach the vicinities of Colombo airport. I should say a few words about my colleague. The first officer I'm flying with today is a guy in his 30s, originally from Malaysia. He's calm, unhurried and smiling, and he's doing his job very well. I've spent almost 4 years working in the Middle East. I had the opportunity to work with people of many nationalities. Europeans, Indians, Arabs, Asians, Latin Americans, guys and girls. We were all united by passion for this profession. I am very happy I was lucky enough to get experience of working in a multinational airline. Meanwhile, our Maxi has got very close to the western coast of Sri Lanka. We are descending for an ILS approach for runway 04 of the Bandar Nike airport of Colombo, the unofficial capital and the largest city of this island.
Sri Lankan 119, contact Colombo Control 124.9.
Flex 1 please.
State fire full approach runway 22, report established, and our advisors are visibility around 5,000 meters.
Alright, we passed 2,500 and then the water booster you can descend 1,500 feet. Okay. Yeah, Boeing. Yeah. 4048.
Okay.
Colombo director, good morning, Qatari 656, level 143, descending at 11,000.
Qatari 656 Colombo director, good morning.
Disconnecting, dot offline. Fly director. And cliff approach.
2,500.
Coming to up approach. Yes, please. Send runway heading also, please. Runway heading, okay. 040. Thank you. Okay. Gear down. Still. Flaps 15. Flaps 15. Set flaps 15. Yes, please. Hold on. Check. Separation localizer.
contact tower 118.7.
1187. Then I will call you clear of the apron alpha exit, right at the moment, sir, 121.
Rocket 121.
Tower, good morning, 615.
Salam Tower, good morning, 1804 clear to land, wind 060 degrees 5 knots.
Line 0 bomb, West is Narayana.
Alright, last 364,
Sri Lankan 364, taxi go to 1.104.
3.8 runway 04, Sri Lanka 364.
Name point runway 04.
Landing checklist is continuous. Continuous, big rate. Arm landing gear down, flights. Landing checklist completed. Cabin advised.
314, pushback and start the cruise.
Pushback and start the boat, Sri Lanka 314.
Sri Lankan 302, give way to company number 320 entering parallel taxi from apron Bravo.
1000. $500. Plus 100.
Right 7. Check.
Minimums.
Continuous. Tower Sri Lankan 121 request taxi. Requesting information Delta for departure. Landed.
100.
One taxi via taxi Delta to holding point.
50. 30. 20. 10. 5.
Land up 04, Sri Lanka 30.
Sri Lankan 121, will be number 2 flight 364, confirm taking Delta.
Sri Lankan now
24 degrees at this moment. Thanks for flying with me, and I'm at the moment. Have a good run. See you all the best. Have a nice time and welcome back. Goodbye.
No, stop! You can't just fly to Sri Lanka, dance and leave. It's one thing to get to Colombo airport and another is to get to the city of Colombo. And the second activity is much less boring than flying over the Indian Ocean. Honestly saying, when I traveled this route for the very first time, after almost 4-hour night flight from Muscat, I wasn't up to sleep at all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Fly safe.